Hey Queens, it's me Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day of London, day 4, and it's not even that early anymore. What time is it up? No, but it's like not 6:30 like when I woke up. 10 to 8. We're packing right now, so everything's a mess, and I'm trying to put my stuff in. I'm really hot. My face has gone red. But I just got. Yeah, I'm gonna open the curtain. I just got changed. I'm wearing my RuPaul top, my jeans, shorts from Primark, and I've got some secret socks on sale. It's weird. They feel so weird. And I'm gonna wear my Vans. My throat hurts. And my braces have like my braces have imprinted into my mouth, and it kills. No, it's like clear. It kills so bad. Okay, I need to put my portable charger on charge and then do my makeup. Oh, my case got heavier. Don't. We are out of the hotel. We put our bags in the luggage thing, and Lauren's got her new jumper on because I stole her denim jacket to go with my outfit.
I've got my M&M jumper hoodie on.
And we are going to the bus stop because we're going to see. We're going to Buckingham Palace to watch the guard change. So instead of getting on the bus, because it would have taken longer, we're now walking, so it's only like a 10-minute walk from where we were, and the bus had like already left, but it's like 10 minutes till we get there.
Is it alcohol?
No, it's not alcohol. It's an energy drink.
I like it.
Okay, going for it. So this is Lauren's outfit. Shorts, Primark, bag, Tracy. Oh my god, that's take a video of my outfit. So the denim jacket is mine. RuPaul top. I don't want it. Black shorts and a Vans. This is Leah drinking Red Bull, thinking it's alcohol. How do they draw? We're on a walking tour. Really weird. We're on a walking tour to go see the guard change. Walking down closer to the palace. Ow. Your chin's really sharp. You're gonna get lost. Well, you're not. I will. Yeah. Wait, that's MI? No. What am I doing? Oh, we're going. We're going. Lauren, you're like a meme. You're like that meme. Wait, what is? Yeah.
What does that mean?
I don't know, it's just funny.
Stables of horses. Where the soldier horses will be kept inside there. A grand long. Now we're here because of this statue here. Queen Elizabeth, the Queen's mother. That might be future when it says Queen Elizabeth. That's not the current. Guys, many years ago,
It's the smallest ball.
March 2002, and well, this small family, they get up and they go and have a look, and they go, oh dear, and they go back.
Put it back down, set your bags, no one pictured out of it. Who's brought a drink?
Me.
How bad?
I can hardly see it. It's gotta go right while that jumping on the bar. Now here. Wait, maybe. Look at the police on the car. Yeah, on the car, and that's it.
Isn't it? You have to walk at the same time. Good job, Paul. Aww, hi, horses. Whoa, look at the hat. I'm actually allowed to put that on your head.
Tough one to not be the centre. Designed to
Now we are walking closer to the actual palace.
Hey guys. Yes.
Hi, bye. Now the horse ones are coming. What are the horse ones? I don't get it.
see you.
Like something diving for life.
Something wrong with it. It's like balance.
Look at the heads.
So here is the palace behind me.
You video?
Yeah, we can take pictures at the same time. Very pretty.
Yeah guys, so that's it really. That's the guard change.
There was a way down there. These people look at us.
You can probably hear the back.
Stay around there, we're stuck right now in the front.
Behind the gate. Oh my god, I can see them.
Why is the band coming into here?
They'll come through the gates. It's like
Where's she? Where's she?
I've got to do this twice a week.
So the band's coming in right now. We just finished watching the parade by M&M. We've got to shut up about them M&M. So I don't know what we're doing now.
Everything's so
We're walking to get on a different tour bus. We haven't been on this one. It's like the Red Route or something. So it takes around a different area. So we're going to go on that one.
All the direct members of the royal family, they all have private apartments within there. The Queen herself uses 12 of these rooms, her own personal rooms.
She's 12 rooms.
Now, for all the people who have just got on the bus, obviously you're fully changing the bus ceremonies underway as we speak.
I would have called
And these Mondays,
4
Wednesdays
times.
and Fridays. When we go round the corner, we're going to get a good
On
view
the
of the
tour bus.
soldiers outside the palace.
But we get on
We'll
this
a much
one,
better
get
view
off,
than
and get on a different one.
Up here from Elton Harris to
Shalom,
see them.
Jackie.
I know that
Shalom,
obviously you just come
Jackie.
off from all the crowds.
Crumble,
and it's
crumble.
always incredible to
Elm.
think how many were designed by two men. They were designed by Sir Charles Barry and Augustine Pugin. The Houses of Parliament, of course, is where our government sits and debate the latest rules and regulations of the country. So if we look over to your right and look at such important occasions as the state opening of Parliament, which usually happens in May. But it didn't actually happen this year, and one of the reasons is because there's a huge restoration project going on the Houses of Parliament. You'll see scaffolding all over the buildings, and it's not really very good for the Queen to be entering the building underneath a load of the Sovereign's entrance. Once she's done this, she reads out a speech which has been specially to Queen's Apartment 2 has been crowned there, with Tudor works where Edward V and Edward VIII. Now the last coronations take place inside Westminster. Covent Garden is the centre for street entertainment in central London. Also many bars.
We've been looking for Greggs. Well, we haven't been looking, but we just haven't seen any in London, and we found a Greggs, so we're gonna get Greggs. We got Greggs. I got 2 sausage rolls and a bottle of water. I got cups. Wow. Trying to make the gorilla perfect. We're in Hamley's, the toy shop, and it's crazy in here. There's a red 5 inside the Hamley's. It's huge, and we're on the bottom floor. Oh. There's stuff just flying everywhere.
Ouais, c'est magnifique.
Sorry. It's a little hamster. We're waiting to get a bus to King's Cross to get on the train to go home. We need one of the original colours for the orange room. That is Well, you're doing it that way and then it goes weird on the screen.
Please join the train now.
Come on, guys. It's the results day tomorrow.
Gonna carry down.
Half my suitcase is
Back home, guys. So we are back home now. We had such a good time in London, and I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs because we had such a good time. I'm good as like fluff. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below, follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.
Ow, Billy.
It's a love heart. Bye.
Love heart, I know.